This is a tutorial for Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a virtual environment where you can see and complete your homework assignments, as well as interact with your classmates and teacher. To get to Google Classroom, please go through Clever and click the Classroom icon. If you are already in Google, you can also use the waffle or grid in the top right-hand corner and choose the Classroom icon. When you get here, you will see a card for each one of your classes that you're currently enrolled in. And you may see one that says join on the bottom if your teacher invited you. If you are given a classroom code by your teacher, simply click on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, choose join class, and enter the class code you were given. To enter a Google Classroom, click on the title of that class and you'll be brought to the main page. There are 3 sections of each Google Classroom. The stream, where you'll find announcements, the classwork page, where you'll find all of your assignments, and the people page, which lists your teacher and any other students. You'll know which page you're on because there will be a blue line under the name. The stream is where you will find announcements from your teacher, some of which you may be able to leave comments on, and you also might find new assignments posted depending on the settings. The most important page is the classwork page, where you'll see all of your assignments and class materials. Usually these will be listed with the older materials on the bottom and the newer assignments on top, but they also might be organized by topic. To see your assignments, simply click on the title of an assignment. You'll see directions, you'll see any attachments, and you will also see the due date. To see more, click View Assignment. This is where you'll see the complete instructions if they're longer, as well as be able to access the work that you need to do or to upload documents you might need to attach. In this case, you would simply click on the Google Doc, you would read the directions and type your answer, and then when you're finished, you'll head back and you'll click Turn In. You may need to click twice, and you'll know you were successful when it says Unsubmit, which you could do if you needed to fix something or if your teacher asks you to revise something. The last page is People. Here you'll see a list of your teachers as well as any other students who have joined. You can use this mail icon to send an email directly to your teacher, which is a great way to ask them any questions, get help, or give feedback. You can also contact your teacher about a specific assignment by choosing View Assignment and then leaving a private comment, which will only be seen by your teacher and not by any other classmates. Alternatively, you could leave a class comment on that assignment, and then your classmates might see it and be able to help you as well. Those are some Google Classroom basics. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.